Yummy.
Это вот кто натворил? Вот это кто натворил?
What's wrong, honey? Do you want your joint medicine? But you're just a pretty princess. Come here. Oh my god! What the fuck? So here's the vet bill from today. Not sure how you're gonna pay that. You do live rent-free here, and I do pay for your food, so maybe get a job? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is the cutest thing ever. You're so fat. You guys like my coffee section over there? Yeah? Which mug is your favorite? Demon. Cheddar. What are you doing? Don't play in my dress.
Please. She's thinking about it. Look at that face. She's trying to do it. There she goes.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
You want food?
When she realized pointy teeth hurt.
Ow!
You're not hiding. Yes, I can still see you in there. Get out. You're lucky it's so tall and I can't reach you. I'm gonna go get a damn ladder.
You moving out, bud?
Okay, but like, is your cat this dedicated to gaming, or is it even called a relationship? Because like, look at this. Look at this. This is why he doesn't give me attention, when he's got this kind of energy coming from the pet. What are you looking at? Why are you shaking? What are you looking at? Why are you shaking? What is it? What is it, Zoe? What is it? What is it? Oh my goodness. Is it a ducky? Is it a ducky? Is it a ducky?
I guess we're buying.